Dean here, Dean's Adventures on Timber Mountain. So what you see here is Tommy and Wayne giving me another hand on the second face of the roof system, part one if you want. And of course I got to do some acrobatics with being on top of the beams. It doesn't look that high, but it's actually about 20 feet high. So the rafters that are going up, as you see the pile here, there's 16 on each face of the building, and to lift these it gets a little heavy. So of course I'm going to use the excavator with a jib. But before that I have to do, of course, my balancing act on a 20-foot 8x8 beam to get over to the other side. It's not that bad. It looks worse than it is. Here I have to thank Lucy for giving me a hand for the past 2 weeks, bringing up and securing the roof rafters. For someone who is scared of heights, she's doing very well, very well. So what we need to do here is bring up the trusses and anchor them, because they have a tendency to slide off the roof, being on the flat side. Eventually I'll have to flip them up and create the real truss. What you'll see in the next picture will be the underside of what we're doing right here, and it's coming along pretty good, I must admit. Of course I got to do my acrobatics and just get on a beam and screw things underneath. It's all in fun, and you just got to be a little bit careful. And being in the shape that I am, I'll say, I'm doing pretty good. The next pictures are, of course, of if you want, the east and west side of the building. So we're doing, again, pretty good. And this is the view from the midsection of the house of the rafters we're doing today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe like usual.